Mental Health Association of Morris County was founded in 1953, and we've been providing services of education and advocacy and direct programming for people with mental illness and their families since then. We have a hopeful message that people can recover from mental illness. The Mental Health Association of Morris County is important to the Morris County community because people struggle with wellness and recovery. Some people have minor problems where they just need some basic social support. Other folks have more serious issues. We're there for the community at all levels of community crisis.
When I see when people succeed in their recovery, we have a lot of folks that have graduated from different programs at the MHA, and now they're working full-time. It's really helping people move through their lives, and seeing them succeed, it gives me, great pleasure to be at this agency and to do this job.
One program that I think means so much to many people is their homeless program. It's called Homey, and some of the things I know about that program, they make psychiatric medicines available to homeless people who have no money, no doctors, and that is wonderful.
There's stigma regarding mental illness in our community, and we have to address the stigma face on. First off, the most fundamental misperception is that people do not recover from mental illness. We know from experience that often people can lead full, rewarding, satisfying lives, even with the mental illness. And one of the other misconceptions is that mental illness is a moral condition. In other words, it represents a character defect. It's a medical problem most of the time and can be treated with medication. Another misconception about people with mental illness is that they can't work. And we have a program where we employ people with mental illness to be mental health professionals. Who better than to help someone with a mental illness than someone who's been there already themselves?
Ended up in the hospital several times. The Mental Health Association already stepped in and started to take care of my business, and I got well. And I knew I got well because I started to laugh, and I hadn't laughed in years. Recovery is very possible. Hope lives. Darkness goes away. And I'm living proof, really living proof, that you can get well. And right now, I'm on the board of directors for the Mental Health Association of Morris County.
There are 43% of the staff in the MHA Morris County who are consumers. That means they themselves live with mental illness, and that's almost unheard of in any field, and especially in the mental health field. It's wonderful.
I have learned that the Mental Health Association is an absolutely wonderful organization, from our president and CEO, Lou Schwartz, to the people who work in the field with mental health consumers. They are absolutely so wonderful and so dedicated to the mission of the organization, helping people in the community.
To me, the Morris County Mental Health Association symbolizes hope and recovery.
We are dedicated and committed to helping people recover. We know that sometimes the recovery process is difficult, but by offering a hopeful message and positive support, we're able to move people one step at a time towards full recovery from mental illness. So I'd offer anybody who wants to learn about the Mental Health Association of Morris County to join us, to check out our website, and to be part of this amazing journey from mental illness to recovery.